Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to buy Bitcoin on KuCoin, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Whether you're new to the world of crypto or a seasoned investor, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction. The first step is to sign up for an account on the KuCoin exchange. Visit the KuCoin website. I'll also post a link in the description below, and click on the Sign Up button on the top right corner. For first-time users, KuCoin offers rewards to new users and those who can refer other users to the platform. In addition, you can also obtain rewards just by trading on KuCoin. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Once done, agree to the terms of service and click on Sign Up. After signing up, you'll need to both activate your account and verify your account for security purposes. Follow the instructions to complete the KYC process by providing your personal information, such as uploading the necessary documents such as your ID or passport. Now that your account is verified, it's time to deposit funds into your KuCoin account. Go to the Add Funds tab and select Deposit Crypto. You can also deposit fiat to buy crypto directly. In this particular case, go to Deposit Fiat, and from here you can select the fiat currency that you want to buy Bitcoin with, as well as the payment method. You can also select credit card or debit card, or even choose Apple Pay, Google Pay, as well as 32 other payment method options using the peer-to-peer marketplace. After you have chosen a payment method, go ahead and deposit funds into your account so that you can begin to purchase cryptocurrency on KuCoin. Once your funds are deposited, navigate to the Buy Crypto tab and go to Fast Trade. From here, you can enter how much you want to spend to buy crypto, as well as the type of cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. In this case, we'll select Bitcoin. You can also select the payment method that you want to use to buy cryptocurrency. Before finalizing your purchase, double check all the details of your buy order, including the amount of Bitcoin you're buying and the total cost. When you're satisfied with your order details, go ahead and click Buy BTC. Additionally, you can also schedule recurring purchases by using the Recurring Buy button. Congratulations! You've just completed our tutorial on purchasing Bitcoin on KuCoin. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency can be exciting yet volatile, so always do your research and invest responsibly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials. Happy trading! If you're planning to use KuCoin as a long-term user, make sure to enable two-factor authentication from within the security settings. You can choose either phone verification or Google verification to authenticate your logins. This is important so as to prevent hackers from accessing your account and stealing your account information as well as your cryptocurrency. So remember to stay safe and protect your account as well as your investment for the future safekeeping of your funds.